Hello, I'm Kata, a watercolor artist and a botanical illustrator. My class today is going to focus on painting different bunnies with a modern style. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to paint these cute animals with wet on wet and wet on dry techniques, and you will learn your brushes better as well as you learn brush control in practice. You will also learn how to paint florals in an easy and simple way, and I tell you my tips and tricks how you can vary your ready to paint florals. You will not only practice all this, but you will paint 2 different bunnies with your newest knowledge. You know, floral projects are hard to beat nowadays. This class is broken up into individual videos, so it is easy to follow at your own pace. This class is perfect for beginners, but also great for advanced artists. By the end of this class, you will have 4 bunny paintings, and you will master the techniques. With them, you will be able to create beautiful paintings. Don't forget to follow me on Skillshare. Click the follow button on top, and you will be the first who know as soon as I launch a new class. You can also follow me on Instagram to see my latest posts. Are you ready to paint with me? Let's get started.